Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar office. This is the lever machine, and this was brought in. The customer says they think the pump is burned out, and the pump was indeed not working. And let's see, we also performed an overhaul of the group head here, disassembling all of it, replacing most of the inside components, cleaning the others, and lubricating all the moving parts, and then replacing all of the gaskets as well, reassembling, and we also replaced the air valve, which comes after the pump. And it was too much. I mean, some water while you're pulling it shut is supposed to come into the drip tray, but too much was, and so not enough was making it to the group head. And so those three things together, the pump, the air valve, and the tune-up on the group head. And here we are. We also, these were kind of leaking, so we tightened these up. Hardly worth mentioning, but at the same time, worth mentioning. So, all right, let's test it. Looking good. Find that flow, there it is. We're going to stop at about 2 ounces. Get a nice healthy flush discharge from the group. There we go. Now we'll do some hot water. Very good, and hot. And now we'll do some steam. Looking good. All right, Expobar office working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.